Good morning, Madonna's. Big up on a nice, clean self. So I have a white man who DM me on Instagram, and he said he watched my YouTube videos and he want to share something with me. He said he married to a Jamaican woman and it's the best life he ever had. And look at him picture, him is a big man. So I guess he may be married to a bigger man. What I can share with you, because I was talking, he said he likes to listen to me and he enjoy my videos. He's learning from me as well. So what, what I'm saying is that thank you so much for your support. Thank you for reaching out to me. I appreciate that. And he was saying that, I must keep voicing my opinions and sharing how I feel, and he likes that because not a lot of women likes to talk about things and share their opinions like that so clearly. And what was some of the things that he was saying to me, that sometimes I'll be doing the blog and I put some of my own stories in the blog, and how he appreciate that. So blessings to you and thank you for reaching out to me. Also, I was talking to this person a few weeks ago and they were sharing, it was a man, and he was sharing to me that I must do a video why some Jamaican woman love lock off shop. Me laugh a laugh. He say, "I must do a video why some Jamaican woman like to lock up shop." I get a couple of those several times. Even American man reach out to me about that. Say they have kids with two kids. I remember the story that this gentleman sent to me. I think I did it earlier when I just started this channel a few months ago. And he was saying that he married to this woman and he have two kids with her, and she, don't give him, no one give him nothing, just she just angry all the times and stuff like that. So I remember that conversation that we had. But this one said to do a video and why Jamaican woman love lock shop. So, and I can tell you this, as a woman, I don't believe in it, especially if you have a partner where you care about. If you and them have something, I'm not gonna say me won't do it, because we're not perfect. But over the years, me not do it. Me try not to do it. Um, but sometimes you can be hurt and your feelings to an extent where you're just not interested. But if you love and care for your partner, when they touch you, it give you that feelings that you just allow them to do what they want to do. And you don't have to be all up into it, because that can also make a man mind stray and go places which, if you care for that person any at all, you don't really want them to stray. So you just make them do what them a do. That no means say you are gonna give in to them foolishness or whatever. But I have done that over the years, like just if me and my partner have something, me might block him out of my mind for a little, but when that time come, it kind of wake me up a little bit, and that no mean say me not still upset over what him do, but it kind of like calm me down a little bit. But for locking shop, I don't know. Maybe I'll do it now, but over the years I haven't. So sometimes your headspace just not there. It's not. But when you're married and you live with somebody, you shouldn't really do things like that. Even if you're not into it, because you're mad at them, let them enjoy themselves. You know? That's just my belief to it. You might believe something different from me, but that's just my belief. I don't think you should do it. So if you see You can send this to your partner. If they come across the video, I'm gonna tell you, say I will talk about it eventually, but I don't believe a woman should do that. I wanna stop it. Stop it. Stop lock chop on a man. Okay? No do it. Da da dee da 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 dee da da. Oh my God. No, sir. If you don't know, sir, you don't actually leave the money now on the head, you don't know, sir, you not go down in the relationship. Because what a lot of men don't understand is that when you keep hurting a woman and keep, you know, doing things that they actually don't want in a them relationship, like cheating or, saying things that hurt them feelings, eventually you just put in a wear and tear on them heart, and they start to adjust their mind mentally, so they're not really into the relationship. So that part of them gone, them no want that, them no want it, them body shut down, they shut down. So after dealing with that time after time after time, it caused distraction, it built up hurt, all this hurt and pain that they go through in the relationship. Eventually they get detached and they're not attached to you no more. So because of that, they don't really want, they don't have that drive for those things. You have to keep it, real, and stop hurting women, stop making women feel belittled. Listen to them when they're talking, you know, when they go through them emotion, respect them. Don't make them feel like when you them get vulnerable and sad, you can just walk all over them and feel like they're weak because you tough and you hide your emotions and be vulnerable with them. You know, when a man be vulnerable with a woman, that's not weakness, that's strength. And a woman can, well, that's for some woman, because some woman think it's weakness. I don't. A woman, when a man have things pile up inside of them and them cry, I find that say them have a heart, because them emotional, and say them not a rock, and them not bitter, and them not mean, and them not have up this bitterness towards you all the time. When you see somebody cry, is a part of strength, but you can tell that they have a heart. They're they have love in their heart. So it a break down that, you know, sadness, and I that's how I feel, because I'm a person who cry a lot when me I go through things. And when me cry, me feel better. And it's because you have a heart, you have love in you. It, to me, tears is a language that only God understand, and it just give me that peace. So it give them that peace, and you want them to have that peace. So, but when you see them walk around like like them always just strong, and them don't show them vulnerability, whatever the word. Don't judge them when you see them cry. Don't. As a woman, we should listen to our partner when you see this. It's entire you see them come to you like in a that space. That means that them check for you. When a man can tell you about him stories from the past, with him past woman, them and them something, that mean him trust you. When you and him can sit down and rap and have that friendship, and you can separate it from your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, when you can differentiate them and put them in a two section. There's a time when you be a friend, and there's a time when you be your wife, your partner. When you can split them they in a two, then you have a bond. If you can't split them in a two, and when you and your husband argue, you have to bring over want to talk as a friendship, and that's not good. When you talk as a friendship, leave it in at the friendship zone. When you to speak things as a husband and a wife, speak it in a the husband and wife zone. You get me? So if you have a disagreement over husband and wife situation, leave it there. Stop take your past where your partner tell you and cuss the other. You get what I'm saying? Stop join them up together and cuss, bungle them up and cuss on one another over it. I don't do that. That's not me. Me not cuss over nothing when my husband tell me say about him past. The thing him doing in past, that's why I call past. It's the end of the past. But that no mean say him can be vulnerable and share things with me. You get the point? Yeah. Let him be. Let him be. A lot of us as women don't let the man be. But what I don't like about the man them too is that sometimes them can be so manipulating, and it causes these walls to grow up with the woman. And when that wall grow up and then now you take time, you break it down, and then boom, you kind of nice a week, and next week you come back again with your manipulation, and you're not understanding my point as a man. Then the wall gone up again. So because of that, a lot of relationship cannot breathe in good health, because it's always some form of man animosity and some form of malice in thing. And you have some man, they love vex and they love other things that them like them a girl. Now ask you, may I tell you, yes, a lot of man them like that. Them love argue everything they think they have to do. Man, let me tell you this, you know, to talk with a woman, not at them. Talk with them and not at them. You must listen. Listen. It's a big difference when you're talking at somebody or you're talking with them. Talk to me. Don't talk at me. Okay? Big up on yourself. Just sharing my views over here. I know how this channel work already. Just voicing my opinions. Enough love to know. And I'm sharing the thoughts in the comment section. Leave on the views. And if you don't have a story you want me to talk about, drop on it. Text me in the comment section and screenshot them more time and do videos from them. So big up on yourself. Enough love. Mwah.